You have plenty of time. Don't panic. I think it was Tony Robbins who said, most people overestimate what they can achieve in a year and wildly underestimate what they can achieve in 5. So what I want to encourage you to do is think strategically, plan, and don't panic that you're going to run out of time. Having a more realistic goal over the next 5 years and breaking that down into chunks will yield you far greater results than trying to cram everything into the next 3, 6 months, or even a year. We always overestimate what we can achieve in a year or in a short space of time. And what I want to encourage you to do is start thinking of playing a longer game, being more strategic, starting to think about what you can do over a number of years. Set a clear intention, have a very clear mission, and execute daily with real focus.